Hi, this is Eve from Sunlit. Today I want to demonstrate our 12 by 12 inch scoring board. I love the fact that the accessories are self-storing. I'll show you. So our scoring board comes with an envelope maker and scoring knife on the back. It has padded feet so it's nice and stable on your work surface. All measurements are shown on this triangle tool. This side for envelopes and envelope boxes. This side for gift boxes. Now let's make a beautiful A2 envelope with card. So I'm using my 8 by 8 inch paper. Here's where you find the folded card size, paper size, and score line. To make the card first, I simply score the card at 4 1/4 inches. You can fold super clean, crisp, easy lines. I like to smooth it down with a knife instead of pinching with my fingers. So that's my card. See this little line right here? It lets the tool sit firmly in the groove. Line it up to make sure it's flush with this little angle on the board. Place your 8 by 8 piece of paper, find 3 1/2 inches, and align it just like this. After that, it's super easy. I just turn it and line up my paper using this little triangle piece, and I'm going to score it again. So for the first time, you need the alignment number, like 3 1/2 inches. For the rest, you don't have to go back and measure at all. Our corner and notch punch is sold separately. Line up with these two marks right here and notch it. And use the other side to cut the corner. Now I just cut away the little triangle pieces. You can use scissors, but this makes very pretty cuts. I fold both sides in and add adhesive tape along these lines. Insert the card we made before, then close this in. Here's my envelope. Pretty easy. It's so ingenious. Now let's make an envelope box. I'm using an 8 by 8 inch piece of cardstock. Here is the box size, paper size, and 2 score lines. I place my tool here to score it at 4 and 5. I like to start with the outer line at 5. Then move my paper into 4 like this. Now just rotate the paper like before, then line up each line with a triangle piece. We're going to make 2 scores on all 4 sides. There are so many convenient options with these tools, and I love the envelope box option. I'm going to use our corner notch punch again, which is sold separately. Punch twice on each side, like this. Now use scissors to make only 1 cut on each side, like this, so it will fold in to make a box. You can add adhesive along here, close the sides, and here's my envelope box. It's really easy. 2-inch gift box with lid. I'm using 12 by 12 inch paper. Here's the box size, paper size, and score lines for the base and lid. For the base box, score it at 2 and 4. Now, instead of turning the paper around, make your next scores at 8 and 10. It's easier and the math's the same. Then rotate it, do the same scoring, and remember to press firmly as you go. Cut along the score marks on 2 opposite ends like this. Fold the flaps inward. It's designed so well you don't need double-side tape because of the sturdy layers. To make the lid, follow the lid measurements. They'll fit together perfectly. Now let's make pretty accordion rosettes with ease using our craft scoring board. Trim the paper to any desired size. Score the lines every 1/4 inch on the whole paper so you have a continuous circle with even peaks. Easily fold the paper to make the rosettes, like this. This is 1/2 of your flower. Make another and glue them together. Look at all of these creative options for decoration or embellishments on the great boxes you just made. Thanks for watching.